Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Offense. Welcome to Trendlines Trader. This is a YouTube channel where we do daily analysis. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, on today's we're gonna start with GER30. Today it's Friday the 18th of February. We're gonna start this GER30. We are on a daily time frame. This is our instrument. Ladies and gentlemen, let's not waste any time. Let's go through our chart and see what are we having today. So GER30 is still on allow me to use this please, just to zoom. Yeah, I like to see things very clearly from this. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our instrument, the GER30. Yeah, I always make that mistake saying US30 instead of GER30, or when I want to say GER30, sometimes I'll be saying US30. You know, those 30s. Yeah, anyway, let's move on. Ladies and gentlemen, you can see that on our GER30 the chart has been respecting this area since we've been trading this GER30. You can tell that the price was respecting this area from May 2021. If we look at if we want to be precise with the dates there. And one thing I can tell you, we've been having this type of structure and the price is failing to break this horizontal support, the very strong support we have. Let's go closer to move closer to the price so that you can be able to see where the price is heading towards the opening session of London opening session. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you are able to see what I see. The price is giving us this descending triangle, descending wedge. In other words, I hope you can see that this type of move is giving us something like consolidation. This type of structure is going towards consolidation now, because you can see the price has been moving in between these areas, the resistance horizontal one and the bottom one, the top resistance and the bottom support. So I hope this makes sense to you guys. Let me draw this trend line so that you guys can be able to see that we are having a very strong diagonal. Oh, my mistake right there. We are having a very strong diagonal resistance right here. Allow me to use both lines, two lines, so that we can be very precise with this resistance right here. You can tell that the price is failing to break towards the strong support, towards the downside where we are having the strong support. You can see that the price is pushing towards our initial resistance. Let's hope that we will break excuse me, we will break through it and retest and push high. You know, I'm a buyer when it comes to trading, hence I'm always looking for the price pushing high, looking for the structures where the price is about to push high. Yesterday I took a loss, I can say. Sometimes we have to admit if we lose. Let's move closer to the price action with the lower time frame and see where the price is going. Ladies and gentlemen, everything has its disadvantages and advantages, so it has its ups and downs. So we have to understand, even in the market, you don't just win. At some point you still have to take loss it's part of the game. We still have to understand that it's part of the game. Sometimes you take loss. Like here, the price was here yesterday, was around this support, and I was thinking it was gonna respect the area to push high, but it went down to create this structure that we are witnessing right now. But now the price is about to go towards the initial resistance. We will see whether it respects the area and push towards the downside, or it will break through this diagonal resistance and give us the retest and push high. I will be waiting for the price to break out of this area. That's when I will be placing my buys. If it breaks out of this area and then give us this sign of retest and push high, that's when I will be placing my buy after this breakout structure or pattern. So if it doesn't respect it, still I'll be waiting for the price to push towards the downside, where I will be waiting to see if we it's selling off, or it's pushing, or it's playing around, or consolidation before it breaks. But if it doesn't break this area, we're gonna push towards our previous strong support zone. Let's not waste any time. Let's move to the next one. The next one, which is gold. Today I'm turning the tables. I'm changing my strategy, or I don't want to be predictable. People, they will always get to you if they are predicting your movements. Let's not go there. Let's focus to our charts. This is gold, our instrument. Let's focus on daily time frame at the moment and see where the price is going. Previously, ladies and gentlemen, if we remember, we did have something like this type of structure where the price was respecting the trend line that I'm drawing. You can see the price was respecting this area a couple of times. As you can tell, that there was a couple of touches around the area until we managed to break out of it and had a retest and push towards the moon. We can see that we also had another structure where we had this beautiful diagonal support, which is our bottom area right here. The price respected this but did not break out of it for a couple of times as it pushed high and gave us this type of structure. I hope you are able to see what I'm showing you. I erased the wrong one, but anyway, let's move closer to the price and see where the price is going. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to show you something that I see here. This is our horizontal structure where the price was respecting this area. I hope this is very visible to you guys. And look at this, the price is about to form another structure here where the price respected the area excuse me, and the price is still making some beautiful structure there. Is this very clear to you guys? Let's move closer to the price and see where our chart is taking us. Let's move closer to the price and see where the chart is taking us. Before we go there, let me show you this. You see the price has been respecting these areas for a couple of times, and I hope it's about to respect it and push high. Remember that our price, our instrument, has to make this type of moves, guys. We don't have to push straight away. We just have to use waves formation structure. I hope you guys are able to see that. So let's move closer to the to the lower time frame, so that we can confirm that exactly our price is going or is giving us this wave structure for us to trade. This is very simple. If you obey the rules, you won't get banned. But if you guys going off, moving or placing trades according to your wheel, not according to the price wheel, you will get banned. Ladies and gentlemen, after we broke out of this area, I hope it's very visible. Let me do it like this for it to be visible. There we go. After the price break out of this area right here, this diagonal resistance that we are having, we had a retest, then we pushed high, retest, then push high. Now we are about to retest this horizontal support, the previous or initial resistance. We are about to create, or the price is about to give us support and push high. So from now on, we can definitely be assured that we are having a bullish trend. I hope you are getting what I'm trying to show you. This is what we might have. This, if I have to draw the trend lines so that you guys can be able to see. Remember, this channel is Trend Lines Trader. This is where we trade the trend lines. We follow the trend. So let's hope the price will continue in this type of manner. I hope you guys are able to witness. This is the structure that we are having right now. The price will continue, or we believe it will continue like that. Okay, so let's move to the next one. Let's not waste any time. The next one is our US100, everybody's favorite. Yes, guys, I hope you are able to see. This is our instrument, and we are on a daily time frame. Let's move to the price, see where it's heading. Ladies and gentlemen, we had this. The price was very bullish for some time. We broke out of that trend line. Now we are here. This is where we need to focus now, so that we can tell the price is moving towards the downside or it's moving towards the upside. Ladies and gentlemen, this is very, very beautiful. I hope you can see that we had this diagonal resistance right here. If you allow me to draw it like that so that it can be clear to you guys, when the price was selling, was bearish, we can tell that we respected this area. It gave us this area to respect. I mean, it found the structure that it respects, and we are having a wedge, a descending wedge. Usually descending wedge, you'll find the price breaking from this side of the descending wedge. I hope it makes sense to you guys. Let's move closer to the price and be able to see where we are going. We can tell that the price has been respecting this area a couple of times. Even yesterday, it seems like it has been respected, even though it didn't make the touch. and we are about to move towards our initial resistance, diagonal resistance. So if we break out of this area, we're gonna still have to push up. I don't see the price pushing down to break this area. I cannot tell myself that we are about to go down. No, I keep on saying we are going bullish, because this is in this where we know that most of the time NAS100 is a bullish index. So we can see that the price gave us a beautiful structure. Since we've been trading this during the week, though we took a loss from yesterday because of we thought the price will respect the area and push high. No, I don't think this is the area. This is this. Yeah, we were around this support area before we pushed high, but the price didn't respect the area and we had to take a loss because it went down. It happens in the trading business everywhere, I believe, because everything has its own upside downs. Let me not preach that, by the way. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you are able to see that the price is about to give us a double bottom pattern before we push high. What I can advise you is for you to place buys. We already witnessing the price rejecting the area. As you can see, the buyers are in control. The price is about to push high because we are respecting this area. If you can see our candles, how beautiful they are. Let's wait for this candle. As you can see, we are having few hours for the candle to close above this previous bearish candles. I believe that we're gonna have a bullish movement today during the opening session. After this candle close, if it close like this, that's when I will be placing my buys, buy trades, so that you can push to the upside with the price. I don't see us pushing downwards. No, we already rejected this area, the previous support. As you can see, our price is about to push towards the initial resistance. I hope you are able to witness or able to get what I am showing you. This is a structure that I see. I'm trying to draw the structure where we will be confirming this is a double bottom. The price hits this area, break out of it, and break out of this diagonal resistance. We're gonna push high. Since it's double bottom, we are going to have a very bullish week next week. This is NAS100. Let's move to the next one, which is our US30. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our price instrument US30, and we are on the 4-hourly time frame. Without wasting any time, let's get closer to the price and be able to tell where we are going. With the US30, we also had the very beautiful structure where the price was respecting the area. This is our structure where the price was giving us this support zone where it respected the area a couple of times, and we also had the beautiful structures inside. I can use the horizontal lines for me to be able to remember where are the significant turning points. These are the points where we should always remember that when we are on the higher time frame, we can mark them so that when we are trading, we can always remember that the price made a move or respected this type of structures that I'm trying to showing you. Remember, there are so many strategies to kill a cat, or there are so many ways to kill a cat. So this is another structure that I'm always using. I'm trying to give you some of my technical analysis strategies now. I hope you guys are able to see that the price is been respecting this area right here, and now it's giving us double bottom thing. We're gonna wait for the price to hit this area and break out of it, as it will be very bullish from after this consolidation or retest. It will be very bullish. But one thing I can tell you is the same as NASDAQ. Remember, US30 and NASDAQ, sometimes they do correlate. We can tell that the price, if it closes above this zone right here, if this candle, bullish candle, closes above this zone right here, we're gonna have something like this, and then that's when we will be confirming this is a double bottom, because the price will be showing us that it has broken the previous resistance right here, and now we're going high. This is what I'm talking about. If you guys are able to see what I'm showing you, we will be saying, okay, this is our double bottom. So the price will will push towards the upside after this neckline. Thank you very much for watching this video. Ladies and gentlemen, please do subscribe and click on the bell button for you to be notified every time I'm uploading the video, and please don't forget to hit that like button. Thank you and have a lovely weekend.